Want more power and that perfect exhaust note? Choosing the right aftermarket exhaust can transform your ride, but with so many options, where do you start? First, material is everything. Stainless steel costs more but resists corrosion and lasts years longer than cheaper aluminized steel, especially in harsh weather. Next, look for mandrel bent pipes. Unlike crush bending, mandrel bending maintains consistent diameter through bends, maximizing exhaust flow and power gains. Consider system type. Catback systems replace everything from the catalytic converter back, offering great performance gains without the complexity of a full system. Balance sound with legality. That deep, throaty note sounds amazing, but check local noise limits to avoid fines and failed inspections. Remember, larger diameter pipes, quality materials, and proper bending technique equal better flow, more power, and improved fuel economy. Choose based on your goals, budget, and driving style. The right exhaust transforms both performance and driving experience.